It is Tuesday, January 3rd, and the time is 3:34 CST. Quick review of today's trades. Starting off with the ZN. Started the week over here. Didn't really go much of anywhere to take a trade. The only possibility would have been a short in here if we had reached it overnight, but we did not. The oil did move, but not quite enough to support to get us along down at 75.55, so no trade was taken. Did have two opportunities at the gold and unfortunately missed them both. I did not really anticipate, and I'm not sure why. I was thinking that we're gonna have a big move as we did overnight, so I did not put any orders in with the holidays and all. I usually put some orders overnight. Been picked up short in here. I would have been in profit by the time I got up in the morning, and just missed it again over in 8 o'clock in the morning as well. I was just looking at other stuff and just missed two short opportunities on the gold that would have both been profitable. The ES did not reach low enough to take a long. The same thing with the NQ, the Russell, and the YM. This was also a missed opportunity overnight with the 6A, with the Australian dollar. Could have been a long in here, would have been good for this target over here. Would have been out in here somewhere. 6E, similar, missed it overnight. Would have been good for a little bit, or we could have been in the trade still long. 6B didn't reach it, nothing. Swiss franc, long, that would have done well or stayed at break even at this point. In Canadian dollar also, nothing here. Still looking at the Bitcoin and not really trading it. Corn didn't reach the trade, neither did wheat. Soy is getting close to a long, but not quite there yet. I did take a few trades on the Forex, and some I'm still waiting to get filled, and some I did, so I'm just going to go ahead and do all of them quickly. I missed this trade over here. It was at 2 o'clock in the morning. Did not put an order in advance. It would have been a nice long. Made it all the way back to the midpoint. Nothing set up here. The same thing, missed it overnight. 4 o'clock in the morning. At 3 o'clock in the morning, we could have been long. I could have had a limit overnight and would have been I would have exited here somewhere for a gain. Nothing here. This one I missed it overnight, came in the morning. By the time I came in, it was already moved up. I put a limit in here to go long. Didn't quite get filled. Got low in a couple of times, but didn't quite get filled long in the AD yen. Nothing on the CAD yen. This one was missed overnight. It would have been short. It would have taken a lot of heat. It would have came back with a profit. My profit limit would have been here somewhere, but I didn't get filled in this order. I didn't take it. I decided against taking it in the morning in here. This one was missed as well. Then we got in here in the morning and I went ahead and I took it around 6-7 o'clock in the morning, so I'm still long the Swiss yen at plus about 25 pips or something like that, so I'm still holding it. I'm looking at profit in here somewhere, or possibly in here if we get there, 50-60 pips. Nothing set up here. This was a short that I missed as well. Just coming off vacation, I wasn't just paying attention. I was not really focused. I missed quite a few trades this morning. That would have been good. Nothing here. Nothing. This was missed also overnight. Long. Would have worked out really well. nothing. This one, I dropped a limit buy in here. It had already moved up, so I'm not quite filled. I'm just waiting on it to get filled tonight or tomorrow. And didn't get close enough for long. I did get long the euro, and I'm sitting at break even or minus a pip or two, I think. Missed it overnight. Put a limit in the morning around 7 o'clock. Didn't quite we got close in here, but didn't quite get filled. Would have been a decent trade as well. And missed it overnight as well. The same thing. That would have been a great trade. Nothing here. I did get filled. Missed this overnight. It moved against me. It would have moved against me. I did pick it up here about 6-7 o'clock in the morning for a short. I'm holding it for minus 6 or 7 pips, I think. Nothing on the CAD, but it looks like I'll most probably put a short in here at 37.02 overnight. And nothing on the yen. Looking at Tesla had reached S1 and moved beyond it. But here, what you could do, or what I could do is buy a put spread, vertical spread in here at the 102 level, and just leave it for a few days into the weekly options. That would have been a good trade. So I didn't really take it. I'm just looking at those. I try and avoid stocks in this method because stocks tend to act differently, but I've noticed that some of the bigger names such as Tesla and Apple tend to respect those levels, so I may look at those, maybe Amazon and Google. So that's it for the day. I'm just up few, maybe 30 pips so far, and if anything else set up, I will put it in the video tomorrow.